Every nation seeks security, from ancient walls to nuclear deterrence. But in the shadows of modern geopolitics, there exists a defense system so profound, so intertwined with our daily lives, that its true power often goes unseen. It's not made of steel or gunpowder. It's forged in laboratories, coded in server rooms, and wielded with precision that dictates global influence. We call it the Silicon Shield. But what exactly is this shield? How does it function? And who truly controls its immense power? In this episode of our channel, we journey into the unseen architecture that protects, monitors, and shapes the very fabric of our connected world. Welcome to the Prime Archive. At its core, the Silicon Shield is an ecosystem. It begins with the sheer volume of data that courses through fiber optic cables, beneath our oceans, and across continents. This data isn't just cat videos or emails. It's financial transactions, military intelligence, critical infrastructure commands for power grids, water systems, and transportation networks. The interdependence of modern society on this digital infrastructure creates both vulnerability and immense strength. Nations and corporations are so deeply intertwined within this global digital web that disrupting one part risks catastrophic ripple effects for all. This mutual dependency is the first layer of the shield. It disincentivizes all-out digital warfare because everyone stands to lose. But interdependence alone isn't enough. The shield's strength also comes from its active defenders. Elite cybersecurity units, both governmental and private, operate 24/7. They are the digital sentinels, constantly monitoring for intrusions, developing countermeasures, and patching vulnerabilities. Threat intelligence is paramount here. Sharing information about emerging malware, state-sponsored hacking groups, and zero-day exploits is a critical, though often clandestine, part of maintaining the shield. Organizations like NATO's Cooperative Cyber Defense Center of Excellence, or Industry-Specific Information Sharing and Analysis Centers, ISACs, form crucial nodes in this protective network. They turn scattered data points into actionable defense strategies. However, a shield isn't merely defensive. Its power also lies in its deterrent capabilities. Nations understood long ago that the threat of retaliation is a potent peacemaker. In the digital realm, this translates to sophisticated offensive cyber capabilities. The knowledge that a cyber attack could trigger an equally devastating, or even more crippling, counterattack on critical infrastructure, financial systems, or intelligence networks serves as a powerful brake on aggression. This shadowy aspect of the Silicon Shield is rarely discussed openly, but its unspoken presence is a cornerstone of digital deterrence. It's a game of high stakes, played in the quiet hum of service. Beyond governments, the Silicon Shield draws immense power from the private sector. Tech giants, often headquartered in specific regions, dominate key sectors: cloud computing, semiconductor manufacturing, operating systems, and artificial intelligence. The companies controlling these foundational technologies wield extraordinary influence. Their intellectual property, their manufacturing capabilities, and their global distribution networks are indispensable. Controlling the supply chain for advanced microchips, for instance, is not merely an economic advantage. It is a strategic choke point that can be leveraged in times of geopolitical tension. This economic dominance forms a formidable, though often indirect, layer of the shield. Ultimately, behind every algorithm, every piece of hardware, and every defense strategy are people, the brightest minds in computer science, cryptography, and systems engineering are the true architects of this shield. Nations fiercely compete for this talent. Investment in STEM education, research grants, and attractive career opportunities are not just about economic growth, they are about securing the intellectual capital essential for maintaining digital superiority. The brain drain of top talent can be as strategically damaging as losing a conventional arms race. The human element is irreplaceable. But with such immense power come profound ethical dilemmas. The same technologies that protect can also be used to surveil. The lines between defense and offense can blur. Concerns over privacy, censorship, and the potential for technological authoritarianism are ever present. How do we ensure the Silicon Shield remains a force for security and not control? Who sets the rules for digital warfare and ethical AI development? These are the questions that define the next evolution of this unseen defense. As technology accelerates, our capacity for ethical governance must keep pace. The Silicon Shield isn't theoretical. Its effectiveness is tested daily. Consider the Stuxnet incident, an early, sophisticated cyber weapon that highlighted the vulnerability of industrial control systems, or the constant barrage of ransomware attacks that cripple businesses and even hospitals, forcing nations to invest heavily in resilience. Each attack, each breach, offers invaluable lessons. They force constant adaptation, innovation, and international cooperation. When the shield is breached, it often exposes weaknesses that lead to stronger, more robust defenses. It's a perpetual arms race, fought not with bombs, but with code. The Silicon Shield isn't monolithic. Different regions and blocks are building their own versions, often reflecting their unique geopolitical priorities and values. The European Union's emphasis on data privacy, for example, shapes its digital defense strategies differently than, say, a nation prioritizing state control. This creates a complex global balance. Alliances are forged not just over traditional military concerns, but increasingly over shared technological standards, supply chain security, and ethical frameworks for AI. The Silicon Shield, in its regional variations, is redrawing the maps of global power and interdependence. What does the future hold for the Silicon Shield? Emerging technologies like quantum computing promise to revolutionize cryptography, potentially rendering current encryption methods obsolete. Artificial intelligence, already a key component, will become even more central, automating threat detection and even predicting cyber attacks before they happen. The speed of innovation means the shield is never truly complete. It's a living, breathing entity, constantly adapting, evolving, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in defense. The architects of tomorrow's Silicon Shield are working today on challenges we can barely imagine. But perhaps the true, most powerful aspect of the Silicon Shield isn't just its technology or its human intellect. It's the very invisibility of its success. When a major cyber attack is thwarted, when a critical infrastructure system remains secure, when privacy is maintained against immense odds, these successes are rarely broadcast. Pause. The absence of catastrophe is not headline news. The strength of this shield is proven not by what you see, but by what you don't. By the power grids that stay on, the financial markets that continue to function, the communications that remain private. Its most profound work is silent, pervasive, and largely unacknowledged. It is the digital bedrock upon which our modern lives are built. The Silicon Shield is more than just a collection of technologies. It's a testament to human ingenuity, our drive for security, and the complex dance of power in the digital age. It's a constant battle, fought every second of every day, by unseen watchmen, safeguarding the very foundations of our global civilization. As we navigate an increasingly interconnected world, understanding this shield and its profound implications is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. If you found this exploration of the Silicon Shield insightful, please consider subscribing to the Prime Archive for more deep dives into the hidden forces shaping our world. Thank you for watching.